Afternoon, my cherished viewers.
Afternoon.
I welcome you. I'm connecting with my big man. In fact, he invited me over to install this beautiful fish farm for him, and I've just done that. I want to ask him a few things. Probably we all stand a chance of benefiting. Uncle, please, what's your name?
My name is Ajivia Achu Agbonyi.
I just call you Uncle Achu. Uncle Achu.
That's nice.
Yes. Um, we have set up this for you.
Yes, sir.
What's the area name or which location is this?
We are currently, or this is Bawi, Bulem,
Okay.
Sikoni,
Okay.
Sikani Junction.
Okay.
So we are 3 houses from the very Sikani Junction.
Okay.
And
So which is it? Which part of the country is that, or which region?
we are in Accra, Greater
Greater
Accra.
Accra. That's fine. So now, this is a fish farm.
Yes, please.
Why do you decide to venture into fish farming?
There's a saying that little drops of water
Makes the mighty
might
ocean.
be ocean.
That's fine.
And money these days, you may say you are looking for trillions before you become thinking that you are a millionaire, you are something. In fact, the millionaires we've been hearing outside, they've started little by little and they've gathered their coins and became notes, and the notes became box, the box became trunks, and so be. So I wouldn't say if you have something small, then you say you are not going to build upon it. You should trust yourself and put yourself in somebody's shoes, somebody who can give you a push. It's like a ladder. So if the person should push you a push, then gradually, step by step, then you also know that, oh, your investment is not as useless as you thought. Yes. So
Yes. Uh, Obviously, you need to start small and grow. So this setup, this is something we provided for you.
yes, sir.
I've traveled all the way from the northern part of the country to the greater Accra region
Clarity.
to do this. Are you satisfied with the work?
Oh, in fact, I really learned something. I myself, I'm DIY, do it yourself. So, well, when you came in, it's like two DIY meeting together, doing something, cutting, joining, plugging, going to look for the things. In fact, I'm also glad I met somebody like you, because you learn something from me. I also learn something from you
Exactly.
equally.
I was coming there. I've learned so many things. Yes. So now, let's see. What work do you do? Which one is your professional work?
My
And
real
probably people can contact you when they need your service.
my real profession, I practice joinery, professional carpentry, and those who know me and knows me with my work, how my work is. But as we are growing, we are aging. It's not every day that you climb. It's not every day that you are going to get the woodwork. Or so if this is a backlog for you, at least you know by end of day, by the end of the month, the fishes will grow. Somebody will request for 2 3 fishes, and that's also a capital. So literally, here is moving small, here is moving small. Then you need to cater for the family.
So, as you're a carpenter, do you have the jurisdiction that you practice? In other words, do you have specific place you work? Or if you get work at any part of the country,
Anywhere,
even beyond, you can
beyond,
travel and do the work.
beyond,
That's fine.
beyond.
That's fine. My cherished viewers, if you have any capital work, you can contact him. And in fact, I that's why the question I specifically asked is the main profession, because I know he does a lot of things. Even welding, he does welding. Sometimes electrical work, he does. Even this plumbing things. I came in to do the work, and I've learned a lot of things from him. Hey, Certain thing, I will even consult him. Hey, uncle, Atu, what do you think? How do you? I want it this way. Which method will we have? And he will recommend. And at the end, it will be perfect. And I will learn it in addition to what I already know. So this is it. And like I said, don't let distance be a barrier. We can provide you this service. This is not the only service that we provide, or this is not the only setup that we do. Actually, they want it this way, and they have purchased, like he said, they have purchased his
Three
IBC tanks.
barrels, RBA barrels.
Then we've installed it for him. Normally, what we do is that we have tapoli pond, 500 capacity pond, 1,000 capacity pond, and also depends on how you want to start it. We customize it that way for you. Even if you want concrete pond, we do it for you. So this is how they want it. So just give us a call. However you want it, we'll do it that just for you. And then we all grow our fish together. This channel is purposely for education, and try to sign up if you haven't, and then we learn our family together. Once again, my name is Abdulaziz Issa. This is Fakwa Aquaponics. All we do in this channel is to share fish farming tips based on our experience and research. Nice meeting you. Bye.
Bye bye.